Hello, this is Nevis here. I'm in as a student in my student account in the Google Classroom homepage. I'm about to join another class. So what I need to do is click on the plus sign and it's asking me for the code. So I'm going to add the code, join, and there I am. I'm in the class. So now as a student, I'm going to have a look at this assignment that is actually due today, but let's have a look at how I need to do this assignment. It's called Film Review. In the front here, I can see the instructions from the teacher, and there are some files attached. So let's go in and open and have a look at how we need to do this. Okay. So here, if I slide down, it says your work has not been completed. There are two things I can do. One is click on this and it will open up the document ready for me to fill in. I can add the document to my drive, or I can create a new document. Because the teacher has already created the document for me, I don't need to create another document. All I need to do is click on it. It's got my name on it and everything, which makes life so much easier. So here it is. There's my name. There's the document. There's the explanation from the textbook. There are some links here that I can open up and have a look. And then there's a blank page. So this is where I begin writing my film review. In this case, I need to choose a film, either the film we saw in class or another film of my choice. Now, if I open up the headings, I can choose one of these to create a heading. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one and call it okay, and then I'm going to start writing rest of the film review for the assignment. Once I've done that, I can click here, which is submit. It'll take me back to the assignment and it's asking me, are you ready to submit? I'll say yes, making sure I've done the work. And there it is, and it's giving me a complete. Now, once the teacher sees this and sees that it's not complete, she may leave me a message over here and say, can you please complete it? And if she says that, I can just click on here, retira, and take it back, fill it in, and then submit again. That's how easy it is. Thanks for listening. See you in class.